Going on, guys? It's your boy, man. We back again with another video. Welcome back to the garage. As you guys seen, it's really nice outside, blue skies, but it is windy. So, oh yeah, that's not for me. It's super windy, so I'm gonna stay inside. I got some cleaning up I want to do, some organizing, and I have a few packages that I want to share with you guys. I entered a raffle for K24 EK from East Coast Imports. I don't know if you guys are aware, but I'm gonna put you guys on to that later, show you guys the car and stuff. And I got a little package that was sent in that I want to open and just show you guys what we got. So yeah, guys, I just hope you guys enjoy today's vlog. It's gonna be a chill one, so just kick back and relax, man. Hope you guys enjoy. Fresh rotors. These are for the Civic. Be throwing those on real soon. Brand new, I want to say driver's side axle. This is for the Civic. Just put a few things in here. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much good enough for me. Yeah, guys, we go grab this stuff. We'll be right back. All right, guys, well, here we have it. This first package up here is the first one we're gonna open. It's for the raffle that I entered for East Coast Imports. I'm gonna drop pictures of the cars we're opening this up. I want you guys to see that. And here we have a package that was donated by my mother-in-law for the channel. It's gonna be a bunch of things in there that we're gonna be finding handy and useful in the future. So yeah, guys, let's I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod and get ready and just start opening up. Guys, this first package that we're about to open was sent in by East Coast Imports. Many of you guys know Sonic 203. That's his YouTube channel. That's how I found out about this giveaway, and on that channel itself, they have the whole process of building the car and stuff. It's very interesting. If you guys want to go check that out, I will leave his YouTube channel in the description. You guys could go check it out. Basically what the guys over there are doing is raffling off the build to hopefully one of their subscribers and stuff, and I answered. And basically in here is a keychain, if I'm not mistaken, and a mystery t-shirt. So I'm honestly not even sure what's going to be in here, guys. Let me see. Okay. Ooh, what's that look like? It looks like a K. Yeah, we're gonna open that up in a second. See a turbo? That's crazy. Yeah. The Honda keychain. You can even see the T37s. That's crazy. That's so detailed. I like that. I'm gonna drop a few pictures on the screen right now for you guys. Look, we're opening up the shirt. Wow. Wow, yeah, that's fire, guys. Oh, yeah, look at that. It says their name right there. And it's the K engine with the turbo right there. Oh, man, that looks crazy. And like I said, guys, I'll be leaving the website and their YouTube channel down below, so you can go ahead, check them out. I know the raffle ends early March, so you guys may not have time to enter the giveaway, but you guys want to go on over and check them out regardless. They have amazing content over there. All right, guys, so here we have a quick package. Like I said, donated to the YouTube channel. It should help us very much in the future. It should get us started on a lot of new projects and stuff, and I'm quite excited to show you guys. So let's get into this. All right, guys, let me take all this out. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get straight to the big one, man. As you're probably wondering, it's a paint gun. It's a quick paint gun. I think I opened the whole box, but I haven't put anything out. But, regulator and the gun itself. Guys, I've never used one. This is just gonna be, it's gonna be a learning opportunity. Hopefully you guys out there could give me tips and maybe help me on the journey. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. I'm super grateful we have this. It's an amazing addition to the garage. This is basically it for today though, guys. Like I said, I'm super grateful, very happy for all these things. And wow, this shirt's amazing. I cannot wait to throw this on. This is definitely gonna be something I throw on for the meets, the track and stuff. Gotta throw this on my keys. Nah, guys, what would you guys do if you won that car? Psst, I know my first car was a 2000 EK Coupe when I was 16. And I had so many dreams for it. I'll probably drop a picture on the screen for you guys. But like, that's kind of why I answered this raffle though. It'd be amazing to have something like that on the channel. You guys already seen that. That would open up so many opportunities. It'll be insane. But guys, I did have something I want to talk to you guys about. I was running around the garage earlier, right? I don't forget where right here. Yes, I was running around the garage earlier and I ran into this. So this is a Hasport upper torque mount for 8th and 9th gens. 8th and 9th generation Civic SIs. And I don't need it. You guys know that I did complete solid mounts on the Civic, so honestly, guys, I want one of you guys to have it. It just has a few scratches here and there, you know. I basically put it on. I had a problem. You guys checked that other video out. I had a problem and ended up not using this, so I basically just want to give it to one of you guys. Genuine Hasport upper torque mount. If you're 8th or 9th generation Civic SI owner, man, I actually got this idea from Booster John. Just post your specs down below. Post your cars, your build list down below, and I'll be reading all the comments and just randomly choosing somebody. And yeah, guys, that was basically it for today. You know, hopefully you guys made it this far in the video and have an 8th and 9th gen, and you guys can enter this. All you simply gotta do is just please be subscribed, leave a comment, obviously with your build specs and your car. I'll be reading them, keep me entertained, and one of you guys will automatically be chosen. I'll be commenting back, and I just need you to email me with your information, and I'll have this shipped right out to one of you guys, just to show my gratitude and stuff for bearing with me and joining me on the journey, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was it was a quick little vlog. It was just for fun and stuff, but if you made it this far, you have the chance to win the upper torque mount. So good luck, guys. Like I say, subscribe, comment, leave a like, anything helps. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.